So I just did a clean with me video, a whole house clean with me. We just cleaned up a little bit after breakfast. It was a morning clean with me. I hope you enjoy the video and like it, and please subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Bye. So I'm starting here in the kitchen. I'm gonna pick up anything that was left from breakfast, and I'm also gonna unload the dishwasher. I didn't do it last night, so I'm gonna do it today and load it with the dirty dishes we have from this morning. Here I'm gonna wash my pans by hand. Usually I do it by hand. I think it makes the pan last longer. Sometimes when I'm in a rush, I will put it on the top rack of the dishwasher, but mostly I like to do it by hand. I'm going to spray down the countertops with this method spray and wipe them down. I do this like 3 times a day because there's always crumbs all over it from the kids and me making them snacks and stuff. I really like this method spray. I've used it for a long time, years, and it works pretty good, and I really like this smell. I'll leave a link down below for this one. I think it's like green apple or something. It smells really good. So here I'm showing what I do with my ripe bananas. I always peel them and I put them in a Ziploc bag and I freeze them for my smoothies. I have a smoothie every day, and frozen bananas in a smoothie is so good. It makes it taste like there's ice cream in it. All right, well, we're heading into the living room. This is where all the kids gather every day. My pillows end up all over the floor all the time, and I'm always constantly putting them back on the couch. So they're gonna help me do that here, and they're gonna be picking up some of their toys and stuff that they've left, and then we're gonna head into their room to pick up their room for this morning. So here I am vacuuming the living room. I don't do this every day. I do this maybe every other day. The dogs we have don't shed, so dog hair is never an issue. It's just crumbs and things that the kids leave as they're eating their snack and stuff. So I'm just gonna vacuum up real quick. All right, so we're in the boys' room and we're gonna pick up real quick. Usually their room's not really a mess because every night before we go to sleep, I have them pick up. But this morning they were playing with their Legos. So they're gonna help me pick up a little bit and they're gonna fix their beds. And I'm gonna go in there and vacuum because I haven't vacuumed their room in a few days. So that's what we're gonna do. As you can see, I don't fix their beds. I let it look the way they did it. I feel like as time goes on, they'll get better and better. So here we are in Esther's room. I'm gonna fix her bed. She usually does it, but she had like 3 meltdowns in the course of making this video. So she's currently having a meltdown right now. If I would put the sound, you would hear her crying, but I'm gonna save you your ears because she was super loud. So her room is super easy to pick up. She's really clean. She's always cleaning up after herself, so it's not a big deal to clean up. I'm not vacuuming her room though. She never has crumbs or anything in there, but this is her room. All right, so I'm gonna give a quick wipe down to the kids' sink area. This is the kids' bathroom. So I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. There's toothpaste in the sink that they leave when they brush their teeth and stuff. So it's a quick cleanup. I usually every night wipe down their toilets because I have 2 boys and it's always so messy. So I don't do it in the morning, but at night I will wipe it down for the next day. So here I am in my room. It's not decorated or fancy or anything. I haven't had a chance to decorate it yet. I'm planning on doing a video of me decorating the room, but I'm gonna make my bed. I try to make the bed every day. Some days I do, some days I don't, but most days I really do try to do it. Esther has had meltdown number 4, so you could see she's crying, but she's gonna get over it in a little bit. She's gonna help me fix the bed. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be fixing my bed and then I'm gonna go into my bathroom and wipe up the counters tops in there. I'm gonna take this dirty laundry and I'm gonna go do a load. I try to do a load every day. Sometime in the day I'm gonna do a load of laundry. So I'm gonna put my load in and I'm gonna take the kids' load out of the dryer and I'm gonna get folded after I vacuum my room. So here I'm gonna have the boys pick up or take their folded laundry and put it in their closets and their underwear as well. I try to make them do this stuff because I really don't like to do it, and it's a good job for them to do. And this is Esther's room, and she's gonna be hanging her clothes. Like I said, she's really neat and she loves to hang her clothes and to put her closet in order. She just really loves to do this. So she's gonna be hanging up her clothes.
Thanks for watching.